Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can buy web hosting from namecheap.com. So let's begin the video. So guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and enable bell notifications so that you get notified for my latest upcoming videos, and make sure to watch this video till the very end because I am going to be telling what is web hosting, what is the difference between WordPress and shared hosting, and how you can connect your third-party domain name in Namecheap. So first of all, you're going to open the website namecheap.com. Website link will be in the video description. Before you do anything, you need to make an account. So on the top left, click on the sign up button. Here you need to enter your basic details and make a free account. Once you have made your account, you are going to click on the sign in button and log in. Once you are signed in, you are going to go to the hosting section, and we have two popular options: shared hosting and WordPress hosting. So first of all, what is hosting? So basically hosting or web hosting, in the simplest word, you can think that you're buying some place on the internet where you can put your website and other people can access it, and you're paying a monthly fee to put your website over there. So in web hosting, you're actually buying space on online servers and you are paying monthly fee, and other people can access your website through those servers. And in shared hosting and WordPress hosting, there is one main difference. If you want to host your WordPress website specifically, then you should go with WordPress hosting. The reason is that this kind of hosting is optimized for WordPress websites, and you're going to have much better performance, updates and other things regarding WordPress if you buy the WordPress hosting. If you go with shared hosting, then you are not just only bounded to use WordPress websites, but you can host other kind of websites as well. But the thing is that it is not as much optimized for WordPress websites, and since the name says shared, it means that you're sharing your resources with other users like your CPU, RAM, etc. It does not mean that other users can access your website files. Basically you are sharing CPU, RAM kind of resources. So in simplest word, you can think that you have apartment in a building. The apartment is yours and other people are living in their apartments, but all of the people are sharing water and electricity. So if someone is overusing water, then the other people are going to have an effect. But with shared hosting, it is much cheaper than WordPress hosting, and if you're just starting out or have a very small business, then you should start with shared hosting, and if it works, then you can go with the more premier and better hosting plans. So in this video I am going to buy shared hosting. First of all, you need to select your data center location. If you live in US, go with US. If you live in Europe, go with Europe. And if you live in UK, go with UK. Since I live in Asia, the nearest server for me is UK, and the nearer it is to your location, the more easier it is for your audience to open the website. In billing cycle, you can select monthly, yearly and 2 years. If you go with more time, then you're going to get better discount. So if I go with 2-year plans, it is $3.28 per month, and after 2 years it would be around $7.48. Now Namecheap has 3 plans for shared web hosting: Stellar, Stellar Plus and Stellar Business. In Stellar Plus, I think this is the best option to go with after reading their specs. The main thing is that you have a domain name which is provided, actually provided with all of these, but the main thing is that you have unmetered SSD, which means that you can have as much storage as you want on your website, but you should use these kind of resources ethically and don't overload the website. So if I scroll down to the website, you're going to have complete details of all these 3 packages, which you can read and review according to your details. For me, this one is the best with the 2 years plan, and the data center location will be UK. So once you have decided your plan, just select it. It's going to show you it's a shared hosting plan. Disk space is unmetered. SSD means it's using solid state drive, which are much faster. Bandwidth is unmetered. Websites are unlimited. So you need to first of all connect your domain name, and if you do not have a domain name you can buy it from Namecheap as well. In new domain name, if you want to buy it, you can just type here and select a domain name. Since I already have bought one from another third party website, I'm going to select existing domain name. And if you already have a domain name in Namecheap, it would show here, but since I do not have any, I'm going to select your third party domain name, and here you need to enter your domain name which you have already bought from some other website. So I have typed my domain name infinitygamers.com.pk. I'm going to click on connect to hosting, and you can see it is connected. If in your case the third party domain name is not connecting, then you need to do some changes in the domain name's DNS settings. For that, go to the website from where you bought your domain name. In your domain name, you're most probably going to have an option name servers. In my case, you're going to select the option use custom name servers. In name server 1, just type dns1.namecheaphosting.com. In 2, type dns2.namecheaphosting.com. So basically these two servers are pointing towards Namecheap, and once you save them it can take some time. So you can see up to 24 hours in my case for these changes to reflect, and after that Namecheap hosting should be able to connect with your domain name. Once you have reviewed all the details, click on add to cart. Again, review details correctly. It's UK data center for me, domain name is this, 2 years plan, auto renew is on. For me the special price is 53.88 and UK data center price is $24 for 2 years. For me, I'm just going to click on confirm order. Here you need to enter your basic details, so I'm going to enter mine. From here you need to select your payment method, so you can pay through card. It can be Visa, MasterCard or credit card, so I'm going to enter my details. After that, click on continue. It's going to show you your order, so review and then click on pay now. Payment authorized, order sent for processing. 0 out of 1 item has been completed. After that, click on Namecheap to go to the home page. From here, go to the top where you have your username, click on dashboard, and here it is going to show you your product right here, infinitygamers.com.pk. Here you can see it's active, my server is active, and I have a positive SSL certificate which they provide for free for a year, I think, when you buy web hosting. So yeah guys, in this way you can purchase web hosting from namecheap.com. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.